Now run away, I need to see.
If I could run away, I'd run away with you, far away to a place.
They change key now.
No.
Far away to a place
where there'll be.
We are not going on break.
We are not going on break.
As now go, they start with music.
Who asked? Who sent you?
Who you help?
Who sent you?
Sorry, viewers, una welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Padi.
Yes.
We love you. We respect you. We adore you. Those people way the back of camera, who sent you now? We're not going on any break. Anything that will happen today.
All we are saying.
No break for us.
Give us no break.
Yes.
Wait,
what's that?
Breaky.
You not say you go do break, now you play music.
We know they break anything.
You not say you go break, now you play music.
Okay, Sheyi say no day. Sheyi say no day for them. They do like this, say no day. Okay. Say Nani Baba and Ada.
Ada, what's your problem?
Olufumi.
What's your problem?
Oh, blood. Anyway, my name no Ogbolo. Her name na Mayowa. Mayowa, you're true.
Okay, you like Amabi?
Wow.
Yeah. It's a 4 feeling.
Yeah, it's a four kind of thing. Wow. So they don't kill one animal now, just to give you shoe.
That is it.
Na porcupine. Chuku. Anyway, now welcome on top of the whole show. Make some people no go lose their salary, we'll go on break. May no be like say now we cause people downfall. Oh yeah, break. Break now.
No mind. Okay, we'll not go again. Let's continue.
Go again. Okay.
All right. So today will be Wednesday. We want. All right. So welcome back to Padi. Now today will be Wednesday. From today henceforth, from this very moment, we want to introduce you to something beautiful. Where we say we're going to do every Wednesday, and we're not going to do Yan on Wednesday anymore. It go turn to Tori Wednesday, and this one are suggestions from people where we say then they watch us, and we decide to take one of their suggestions because people they always send us email, they always send me, they always send Ogbolo and our producers emails onto things that way they want to make we talk about, we consign their lives. So from today, every Wednesday, from this very moment, starting with today,
amen.
We go turn them to Tori Wednesday. And for Tori Wednesday, it's a situation where you go send us email as to some matter we concern you, and we go give you our take. We go give you our advice. We go give you our opinion on that particular matter. All right? So as we continue for inside the show, you go know what we talk about. Okay, they feel Mavi. Okay, they feel
I don't think now, some kind message I don't get.
You Abi?
And they think of some kind message. People say, Some person will go send us one day now say, the time I womb. The time what I want for. You
need to see the kind of message people they send us. But either ways, every Wednesday we go to give you our own opinion about them, starting from right now. So we get placard for Tori Wednesday, yes or no?
We never get placard. We
never get.
Now you're brand new thing.
Okay.
So placard never did.
Never today.
Okay. So we just announce the thing.
We go shoot placard.
Then we just do one thing. You understand? So ladies and gentlemen, now time for Tori Wednesday. All
right, let's move it straight into the matter. Now, I go start with my first email where somebody sent to me. Name withheld. We're not going to talk the name, for
obvious
security, obvious security reasons. All right. So, I graduate from secondary school. I be one study English language. My parents have threatened not to pay my school fees if I do not study law. I don't want to waste 5 years of my life doing something I have no interest in. Please, how do I handle this? My Ogbolo, advise me. Okay, you want to go first or?
Sometimes, it depends on your age.
Yeah?
It depends on your age. Personally, for me, I think it depends on your age. If you still there solely under your parents.
Every secondary school child, most times.
So that means...
Okay, here's the thing. I know say people, they always talk, say, leave your children. Make them do what they want to do with themselves. Make them read what they want to read. For example, I'll use myself as a typical example. My father really wanted me to do architecture. Architecture? He want make I do either architecture or building construction or quantity survey or estate management, one of those building things then. And at the time, when I come out secondary school, I sabi book that year. So if you say, when you enter school before your mates, go do architecture. But that year, I know so no be architecture I want to do. I know, but what thing I want to do now, I don't know. You know understand? But because I was young, but I listened to my parents anyway. And I do the architecture. Now, shortly into the architecture, when I don't almost graduate, I realized, say, now broadcasting work, now be my calling.
But you shall finish, Amabi.
But of course I finished.
But my own story now can't differ from your own.
Yeah. So what I they try talk with, what I they talk, be say, for now, when we say you just come out for secondary school, I beg you, do what your parents want, make you do. You know why? Try do it and do it well. So along the line, you feel find your passion. You feel think say you want to study English now, make you not be saying that English.
Me.
Or if it be say you just define course when no go stress you because you don't hear say lawyer work, they very stressful.
Exactly.
My take on this is do what your parents advise you to do. Along the line, when you done the big, when you done the get mind of your own, you can decide say see what I want to do. People they do change of course.
Of course.
People they finish one school, make them start another one because now waiting they want to do.
Yeah, but
that is my take.
On my own side, because for me, before that time, parents not to put pressure for my head though, but computer science and engineering. Me that year, giddy, and they can't support. Go and do computer science and engineering. Now I enter school. Now for 200 level, I don't know say, if
you know,
nothing.
You don't work.
You know
work.
People go there, they read out, they say, what would they even do this? What did you this wahala? Who go send me message? I don't know whether I dare to that. They think I'm saying, who sent me that message? You know, but I start. Now later I can't change. You understand? I guys go do GCE again. Can't do GCE again, can't do art, this thing. Can't later go for marketing. You understand? But last, you know, I still go for the whole level. But my own, I went to parents. Make parents know this thing. Some parents, they want use children. Say they achieve what they don't agree achieve for their own life.
Yes.
You understand? So if one become lawyer, you know, can't be lawyer for and all your children, nobody be lawyer. But you don't like lawyer work. You can say one of your children must be lawyer. You feel just go to postponing destiny.
Postponing destiny.
So that please, even for parents' side, to make una just why on. Look your pikin, study am well.
No waiting your pikin.
No waiting your pikin feed.
But for the sake of this topic,
person,
if I were you,
just go
I will
first.
do waiting your parents say make you do.
To avoid trouble.
To avoid trouble.
Just
to
go
get
first.
Peace of mind.
Maybe after you don't fail like 4 times.
You might even love being a lawyer. You might even love the law course. I be the course law.
My papa tell me saying this I go be lawyer. I say how? Where you see law for my life?
But
the man is shocked now. So they do talk work. Because I quiet before.
That's all.
Yeah, they do talk work. But anyway, so just go first.
All right.
Obey parents first. Along the line, then you will not say you know
even
they work
the
for
Holy Book says children obey your parents, and then before God can't touch the mind of your parents.
First.
But first things first, you have to obey for starters.
So if I thought it no can work for you along the line, they go no say. This one, you don't read. Or you come, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do? They go still ask you. So for now, take it easy,
no
right? Jejely, easy does it.
All right. So I follow my friend. This one from somebody else. No, we'll talk the name. I follow my friend. Go buy something from one guy. We concert to the chat. I concert to the chat with over time. He later told me, I read that for English, I beg. He later told me that he has a very rich friend that can give me money and gifts for free. He linked us up, and the first time we met, he gave me 30,000. I felt bad because I was not brought up to collect such gifts from strangers, but I took it anyway.
Was it for free?
It's been for free. No, they don't do any thing or hair. It's been 2 weeks that he gave me this money, but I haven't had peace of mind to spend it. I feel it may be a trap, or he may start demanding for things. I haven't spoken with him since then. Should I return the money, give it to charity, or just spend it? My sister. See, even though I could talk, say, to a large extent, some people, they will just give you stuff, you know, for free.
Yeah.
You know, even though for these times, it is hard. But the truth be say, what do you go collect money for?
I'll tell you what.
What did she go collect money? She just say, I get person if you give you money for them. This one say, maybe you get stranded for school fees, or maybe you need money for parents' health or something, but you just want to go collect money. You said, I will tell you the truth. Some people, they give you money for later trap. Not be joke.
Here's the thing. Possibility day. Say the person will give you this money. True. If he no get any intention. True. Maybe the guy will even link una up. True. Maybe he no.
Yes.
Say that guy now. Also free, he can dash anybody money.
Yes.
Just before meeting you. I know some, I get some family members. Say just because of say I jam them for office alone. Uncle, thanks for coming, go follow me.
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying? There are some people like that. But my problem now with you, this girl, who send us this email now, my own be say, wetin be your reason for wanting to take free money?
Yes.
Not be say you dey stranded like you talk.
Yes.
Not be say you get educational problem. You get a spiritual problem. You get any problem. So you self na your long throat na in cause am. Na that long throat na in dey worry you.
No, na be the guilty conscience.
Because what's the essence of collecting the money in the first place?
Yes.
Assuming you collect the money, the guy will link you up, say bring the money, will go say okay, they use you for your own good. But you not talk saying he didn't collect any money from you.
True.
So what is your basis for collecting the money? If I were you, I will not look for that person again. I will not try to reach him, even to return the money. I will not try to
just
reach
lock
him.
up.
Just
you
lock
understand?
up.
If at all they call, because the truth be say, some men self they, even though don't talk the good side, some men self they'll just give you. They'll call you later. Like you talk yourself.
You feel the need to want to see them because you feel you've collected too much.
Exactly. Because you don't collect the money. So if you want to try reach to you, you go on. Some women be like that. They go one day succumb to the guy simply because the guy they help. You get. So my sister, don't go set trap for yourself.
Don't.
Because right now you don't know whether a good or a bad move. So on your own part, lock up from that guy's side. Don't even try to deform reaching out.
Let's assume you've made a mistake, but mistake repeated consistently is now a habit.
And the fact that your mind, they do worry you like this.
Yes.
Not try them again.
Don't try it again.
You understand? Because conscience, and forget to not be your real self.
Yes.
Not try them.
So I'll just do one more.
No, say we'll go break now. Even though the break, they sweet there anyhow. We'll go break. By the time we come back, we'll all try one more.
Excuse me, for everybody watching this is for Ani Baba.
I go add my own join.
Thank you. Break.
They go pay you for this thing.
Oh, but I'm not talking about this thing.
Hey, whoa.
The next email. Mayowa and Ogbi, well done. My daughter is in primary 3 and her teacher flogged her with koboko for not finishing her assignment. She flogged her so much that my daughter has scars all over her body. The worst part is that the cane reached her face and left marks on my beautiful daughter's face. The teacher has been begging me for forgiveness since, but I want to do something that she will never forget in her life. But I'm confused as to whether to forgive her or pay her back in her own coin. Okay. First, I'm going to answer this thing first as a woman before I answer as a Mayowa. You understand? So permit me to be sentimental. Nobody go flog my pikin anyhow.
Auntie,
make I sit down, they look.
You don't carry a person.
You don't understand? Make I sit down, they look. So I can understand how the mama they feel.
Yes.
Now waiting that they try to talk. Even the one way no be me born himself. What I like, you get as you go do am, I go they look, you say, calm down. You understand? Now, it is not wrong for a teacher to correct a child, but it is wrong for you to do it excessively. All this mark when you leave for your pikin face, she's 3 years old. Abi, your daughter is, your daughter is really young. She said she did primary 3. She did grow. As she grow, some of these scars, hopefully, will fade off. So I want to beg you to let it go, especially as the teacher don't acknowledge them and don't they beg for forgiveness. If possible, demand a change of teacher for that class. If possible, if you can, demand a change of teacher. So you don't go to come to carry your daughter every time, or your daughter, or you don't go to be reminded of the incidents every time you see that particular teacher. So I will beg you, implore you to please let this one go.
Well, for me, not the same thing, but I'll come from the angle of forgiveness. Because you talk about, say, you want retaliate, you want revenge, you want make it no say, you said the vex. The truth be said, if you go do that same thing, you don't put yourself on the same level of the woman. You understand? So you no go pay evil with evil. You get? Pay evil with good. All right? So no go from any retaliation. If not, you become as terrible as the woman too. Because you go mean say she do her own way, you can't do your own in your own way. Meaning both of you are evil persons.
They say,
all right? So please,
where you
forgive.
do I for I, everybody know I. Or something like that.
All right? So please forgive the woman and just, like Mayowa talk, if you need to take measures to say, okay, maybe I change the teacher or something. Because, and teachers, please, they don't talk to me, they can't keep us in picking. Teach them. Teach them. Which one you say you flog Koboko, put mark for person speaking body? What's wrong to you?
What happened?
What's wrong about
Why you want to give him marks?
What's wrong into you?
Why you want to build River Niger, River Benue, draw a map of Africa in the body of another child? It's not you born.
Is the child a masquerade? What's wrong about you?
Yeah. Come on.
They say you should teach the child. Are you putting child for sacrifice?
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Be a teacher.
He's an adder. Devil limit disvidence syndrome.
Oh, acquired devil demonic
syndrome.
Oh, we got that now. I'm going to go put adder.
Acquired
demonic. Acquired. Okay, make I read my last one sharply because not to get time like that. Sharply. This one a very, very touching story.
Yeah.
And I was raped at a very young age by my stepfather. Somehow, I managed to convince my boyfriend of 2 years not to sleep with me, only because of the trauma and anxiety I have, even when I think about what happened years back. Now, I'm about to get married, and I don't know how to get through this without hurting my marriage. I feel somehow telling my fiancé, how can I save my marriage? Okay, meaning say she never tell her fiancé. You see, one of the things when it comes to the issue of marriages and all that, and relationships, serious relationships, make sure say you spill everything.
Yes, as hard as it may seem.
As hard or as difficult as it may seem, make sure say you spill everything. Make your partner know. If your partner no, it will cause wahala for front. And then secondly, on your own part, because if you don't spill this thing, if you don't get help, especially psychological help and all that.
Especially, I was going to say that, especially psychological help.
Search for help. Don't just sit down and say, okay, make you feel handle them by yourself. No, if it cause more problem for front than waiting you feel see from now. All right, so let your partner know and then forgive the past, but you need psychological help.
I'll just say this real quick, because again, a woman, when I be there, some incidents will go happen to you as a woman, maybe say it will take you a lifetime to let go.
Yeah.
I know. But the thing be say, since you have a man that loves you enough to want to marry you, and you love him enough to say you want to marry him, I beg you to talk about it. Who knows, he might just be your healing spree.
Bam, you understand?
He might just be your healing spree. Talk to him about it. Let him help you through it. The only reason why you never let him go is because you've been carrying the burden by yourself.
So the day you begin to share your
like
burden, you spread for body.
The day you begin to share your burden, things are better. My God, I like us like. I mean, look, just look at us. Look at us. Look at. We talk about real issues.
Life issues, you know. Oh God, we are good.
We're good.
We are just good. Laugh the laugh. We are just good.
We are fantastic. Oh my word!
People put soundtrack for that in the weekend.
Lord!
They don't put soundtrack.
Yes.
They come like traditional dance.
Oh Jesus! All right, okay. Don't forget to follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Padi. Follow us for youtube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for Padi. The same thing you're going to do for facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for Padi. All right. Individually, we do on top Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Mayawa Ekpo, at Mayawa Lambe, and at Mayawa Ekpo, respectively. Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. At Ogbolo, Instagram, at Funny Ogbolo, Twitter, and at Ogbolo on Snapchat. All right? And don't forget, say tomorrow, as we come again, now Game Thursday. All
right, so guys, make so don't treat some today. You said if you send your own, and then we could also see how we take help you. If you get any kind of advice for these ones that we don't read, so far, feel free to send them to us. If we just share them to those particular people, them, where we don't already read out their own. But you, if you get your own to send them to us like we talked earlier. Okay? So we love you. We'll see you now tomorrow. God bless you and stay put. All right? Mwah.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.